Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you the steps involved in creating a new invoice for a customer when goods or services are bought on credit using the market-dominating accounting software Xero. After opening the application for Xero, the first and foremost aspect is a security measure of a unique code of your choice. This is to limit access to the contents of your business file to authorized personnel only. Once the dashboard is opened, at first glance, all the main details and figures of the company are visible for clear insight. Hereafter, to create a new invoice, you would click on the Sales option at the bottom of your screen. This tab will open to show you the company's paid, unpaid, and overdue invoices at first glance. Now, to create a new invoice for a customer, simply click the plus sign at the top of your screen. This will show you two options, either to create an invoice or a quote. Select the appropriate option and continue. After choosing Create an Invoice, the first step would be to add the customer's name. If you already have your customer's name saved in Xero software, their name will appear in the drop-down menu and you can choose it and move forward. If not, just simply type out their name and select the option which says New, and Xero will automatically save this customer's profile in their software. Next is a selection of the date on which the invoice was created. The default option is today. Otherwise, you can select the option to reveal a calendar on which you can select the date the invoice was created. A similar process applies to the date the invoice is actually due. You can either leave it as the default option of due today or select 7, 14, or 30 days, the dates of which are automatically calculated for you by Xero, or pick a custom date using the calendar. Then, if your company uses a sequential invoice numbering technique, you can edit the invoice number as you please. Hereafter, select Add Items and Quantities. After creating the profiles of the different inventory items that your business sells in Xero already, you can choose the item the customer is purchasing from the drop-down menu. This automatically assigns the business account the purchase relates to, and the discount if applicable from the item's existing profile. Edit the quantities being purchased and the price for the individual item, and repeat this process if the customer is buying multiple items. Going back to the invoice, you can choose whether the price you decided is GST inclusive, exclusive, or free of tax, which is automatically calculated for you by Xero. You also have the option on the bottom left to add references, or at the bottom right to add files like pictures. Lastly, select the Save option on the top right of your window. This gives you the option to promptly send to the customer, approve by the business, or save for the future. For this video, I will be sending it to the customer as a reminder. Xero generates an automated and professional email template to which you can simply add the customer's email and send. This brings me to the end of the process of creating an invoice using the accounting software Xero.